Hello, my name is Janelle Bowles, and I teach kindergarten and first graders. One of the biggest challenges when teaching a split grade level class is teaching writing. I have a wide range of writers in my room that spread from students who are only able to get their ideas in a picture to students who are able to write multi-sentence paragraphs. Not only do I have a wide range of writers, but I also have many students who are not motivated to get their writing or ideas out there. This is where the computer-supported collaborative learning comes in. I know my students love to use apps whenever they can, and they also love to work together to create something. I wanted to build their confidence while allowing them to do something they enjoy. For this project, my audience was a small group of my students, both kindergarten and first grade, that I felt were developmentally ready for a project like this. This project could also help older students build their confidence and learn to work collaboratively on a story. We used the same app that I'm using right now called Toontastic. I chose this because I didn't want to have their writing involved at this time. I just wanted them to get to experience getting their ideas out first, instead of worrying about if their writing is correct or not. I was a major facilitator during this project because my students are still learning how to work collaboratively, effectively, and use technology appropriately. We started in a small group with ideas about what they could make their story about. Each student had a turn giving their ideas, and I helped to remind them that we wanted an experience that they could all relate to. My students ended up choosing to write their story about meeting their teacher for the first time. Once they chose a subject, they each decided what they would write about on their page. The students did very well working together and helping each other if someone was stuck. Each student wrote down what they wanted their page to say so that they wouldn't forget when it was their turn to record. Once we had a plan, it was time to create. My students took turns creating their setting, picking characters, and finally recording each of their pages. The finishing touches were added and they were able to share their story with the rest of the class. The following story is their creation.
One time me and my mom went to go meet my teacher. Put it right here. I'm scared to meet my teacher. I was worried that my hair would be messy. When I woke up, I felt better that I wasn't scared. I felt happy when I met my teacher.
There are more advanced features within the app that I did not have my students explore, like adding music, moving characters around, editing the characters, etc. I feel that some of the features would be excellent to add, a bit of a challenge for some older students. Overall, the app was a huge success and really encouraged the students that created it. They loved sharing their story to the class, and I got the rest of the class excited to try it out too. I will be using this in the future to encourage my students to get their ideas out, work collaboratively, and use technology appropriately.